First place goes to the JISULIFE Life7 5000 mAh. It does not produce a jet as focused as the Pro 1S, but it is the most balanced purchase. It has 5 speeds, a display, up to 19.5 hours on the lowest level, and a folding head that works in the hand, on a desk, or hanging around the neck. In a long-term test, it stood out for that versatility and for retaining battery performance after months of use. The good part is that Speed 3 already provides useful airflow without the noise of maximum power. It also costs much less than the Pro 1S and does not need to be held all the time. The drawbacks are audible noise at Speed 5, a charging time between 4 and 5 hours, and the fact that 19.5 hours does not represent intensive use. Even so, it wins by combining enough power, useful runtime, price, and comfort more successfully for travel, work, or waiting outdoors. Its purchase link is in the description.